I bought my brewer friend some beer cocktails to try. First we are trying Tropical Thunder.
Satan, Mikkel!
You gotta look at this one.
I hate you.
Next up we have Ghostbuster.
Oh, the smell.
Cheers! It's actually more pleasant than the last one.
It reminds me of that very synthetic bubblegum I used to eat as a small child.
In the bucket.
In the bucket.
And for the last one, Firestarter. Oh, it's actually normal color.
This actually has the same color as a pale ale.
Yeah.
Or a pilsner. So just by color, I think this is close to a beer.
On this.
Tastes like Red Bull. I hate it. Okay.
How's the experience in there?
Awful. I hate it. I would never drink this in my life. But if I had to rate them from worst to less worse, the worst was the first one. The second worst was the second one. And apparently we ended on the high notes.